Becoming a better version of yourself doesn't happen overnight. It's a daily process built on small, consistent actions. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 practical steps to help you improve yourself every single day. These aren't overwhelming changes, but small habits that can lead to big transformations. So, let's get started. How you begin your morning sets the tone for the entire day. A morning routine helps you focus on what's important and gives you a clear direction. You can even plan your day in your journal the night before, so you already know how to start every morning with purpose. Discipline is what you need to change those lazy mornings. Plan them the way you want and you'll notice how productive your days will become. For example, imagine waking up every morning and immediately feeling rushed or distracted by your phone. Now, contrast that with waking up just 15 minutes earlier to do something mindful, like stretching, meditating, or setting daily goals. This small shift can make a huge difference, helping you stay grounded and productive all day. Trying to be perfect often leaves you feeling stuck. I've been there. When you obsess over perfection, you miss the opportunity to celebrate small wins. Instead of aiming for perfection, focus on making progress every day. Even the smallest steps are better than no action at all. Think of someone who wants to get in shape but is overwhelmed by the idea of intense workouts every day. They start with just 10 minutes of exercise daily, and over time, that consistency leads to impressive results. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about moving forward, one step at a time. Knowledge is power. Learning something new every day keeps your mind sharp and helps you stay curious. Don't let yourself get lazy. Once your brain gets used to being idle, it can be hard to go back. So try to change yourself even in small ways. Take 5 or 10 minutes each day to learn something new, whether it's reading an article, watching an informative video, or even learning a new word in a different language. It all adds up. Taking a few minutes to reflect on your day helps you grow and adapt. A reflection allows you to understand what worked, what didn't, and how to improve. Journaling can be a powerful tool for this. At the end of each day, try writing down 3 things you accomplished, no matter how small. This practice not only boosts your self-esteem, but also helps you identify areas where you can improve. It's a simple way to stay self-aware and continuously learn from your experiences. Improving yourself isn't just about doing more, it's also about taking care of yourself. You can't grow if you're burned out. Make time for activities that recharge you, whether it's getting enough sleep, enjoying a hobby, or going for a walk. Remember, rest is just as important as work. Don't get so obsessed with your goals that you forget to enjoy life in the present moment. For example, think of someone who used to push themselves non-stop until they hit a wall of exhaustion. Once they started prioritizing self-care, like taking breaks and doing activities they love, they became even more productive in the long run. Self-care is not a luxury, it's a necessity for growth. Improving yourself is all about the small daily choices you make. The habits you build today will shape the person you become tomorrow. Remember, it's not about massive changes all at once. It's about being 1% better each day. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you find these tips helpful, make sure to subscribe for more self-improvement content. Keep pushing forward, and I'll see you in the next video. Love you!